Gnocchi is a famous Italian dumpling, which is even older than pasta. Easy to make and super delicious. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. Way before the Italians had pasta, actually in Roman times, people in that region and around used to make small dumplings made of egg and flour. Later, when the potato came to Europe and found its way in its cuisine, the gnocchi we know today was born. Let's roll. For 2 persons, I used 2 big potatoes and cooked them unpeeled with pinch of salt in the water. Always leave the skin when cooking the potato because it preserves the nutrition and prevents the potato to lose its texture and get watery. For checking if the potato is well cooked, use a fork, not a knife. If you can pull out the fork easily from the potato, it is done. And you can use the fork later to hold the hot potato to peel it off like this. Then mash them well. Mashing potatoes while they are still warm helps to avoid lumps. It's really important to achieve a smooth and uniform texture. To make the dough, add 1 teaspoon salt to the mashed potato, 200 grams all-purpose flour, and 1 egg. Mix everything with hand until the ingredients stick together. Now I knead the dough, but don't worry, that's an easy kneading because the dough is really soft. To make kneading easy for you, always use the upper body, not just the arms, and you will see even a tough dough it's kneaded easier. Next step is making a roll, but a thin and long one. When the roll gets long, it's difficult to continue rolling. Cut it in 2 pieces and keep rolling until the diameter of your roll is 2.5 to 3 cm. Now I cut 2 cm pieces from the roll using a dough card. Because the dough is soft, the lengths expand to 4 cm. Therefore, if you want smaller gnocchi, you have to make your roll even smaller than 2 cm. If you like to impress people with your skills, you can roll them to small balls and gently press them with a fork to make a pattern on them. Maybe I will show you in another video how to do that. But in this video I cut off the fuss and just show you how to make this delicious meal easily in no time. You will impress people with homemade gnocchi anyway, even if not with a fancy form. Trust me. There's something important you always have to do before cooking the dumplings. Take a small piece of the dough or 1 dumpling and toss it in the boiling water. If that piece keeps together, everything is fine. You can go ahead and toss them all in. But if it breaks apart in the hot water, add some flour to the dough and try it again. To get the most out of the gnocchi, they must drown in the sauce. The sauce I make is powerful in taste. It blows your mind if you are a fan of strong cheese. We need 125 grams Gorgonzola and 200 ml milk. Heat the milk up slowly and then add the Gorgonzola to melt on medium heat. Give some turns of freshly ground black pepper on it. Pinch of salt. I pull the cheese apart to melt it faster. You can find mild and strong Gorgonzola. If you don't want to risk, consider using the mild one. Not everybody is pleased with strong cheese. Then cut some spring onions for garnish and flavor. You can use herbs as well. The gnocchi is also done. Then I take them out of the water and add them right away to the sauce. They will now suck up the sauce and the starch will thicken the sauce as well. The creaminess is iconic in this dish. A little bit more black pepper. All pasta and dumplings that contains cheese getting so much better with freshly ground black pepper, so don't shy away to add more. The gnocchi texture is perfect. It's really creamy and tasteful. They are so pleasant to chew, and the sauce is an explosion of taste. If you liked the video, give me a thumb up, and if you want to support me, smash the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.